Hold it, boy! It's not the end of the world!
Yes, it is!
SpongeBob, I never thought I'd be saying this, but count me.
Thanks again, Mr. Krabs.
I'm already hearing voices!
Are you ready to...
SpongeBob, Patrick, do!
A great famine fell upon the land. Huh? Where am I? Oh, dear brother, we are stranded in the middle of the deep...
An Amber Alert has been declared. Repeating, an Amber Alert has been declared. The Allen County Sheriff is investigating the abduction of 2 children from Fort Wayne, Indiana. Lillian Hernandez is a 7-year-old white female, 3 feet 4 inches tall, with long brown hair, brown eyes, and was last seen wearing a black nightgown. The late pastor is a 6-year-old white male, 3 feet tall, short brown hair, brown eyes, and was last seen wearing black shorts. The children were last seen at 6:21 a.m. in Fort Wayne and are believed to be in extreme danger. Fort Wayne is 125 miles north of Indianapolis. The Allen County Sheriff believes the children were likely abducted by their non-custodial mother, Amber Pastor, a 29-year-old white female, 5 feet 6 inches tall, 250 pounds, with long blonde hair. Suspect vehicles of mercury mesquite, tan in color. If you have any information on these children, contact the Allen County Sheriff at 260-449-7661.
It's, very tastefully decorated.
Wait till I take you to the mall.
Semi-sweet chocolate.
This is a test of the Northbrook Comcast Emergency Override System. This test is conducted monthly at this time. If this were a national emergency situation, you would be given important information through the system. This concludes the test of the Northbrook Comcast Emergency Override System.
Teach me the flamingo.
The flamingo is fun, but it's tricky.
I don't care. Just tell me what to do.
Well, the first thing Kelly has to do is breathe.
I'm breathing now. What's next?
No. One time, Kelly has to do a special yoga breath.
This message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued this as a test message. Tornado warning for Illinois counties until 10:15 a.m. This is a test message. This is a test tornado warning as part of Illinois severe weather preparedness week. This is a test message. If this was an actual tornado warning, you would be given information on the location and movement of the storm. This is a test message. This is a communications exercise. Please review your tornado shelter procedures at home, at your place of business, or at your school. This is a test message. Do not take action based on this message.
I know I fell down. I'm up there. But why? You didn't fall down. No one fell down in front of Leela.
What? Elmo Rosita Teddy? Elmo Rosita will show you how to do it. You too. Come on. Help us show Kelly.
緊急地震速報です。強い揺れに警戒してください。緊急地震速報です。強い揺れに警戒してください。
あ、なんて綺麗なんだ。準備 OK です。よし、行くぞ。今大体の。その間、うわあ、やったぞ。どこに逃がします？どこでもいい。何かから遠いところだよね。この辺でいいですか？もっと遠くだ。ください。NHK の各放送局からの情報によりますと、午後6時9分頃、東北地方で揺れを感じました。震源が海底ですと津波の恐れがあります。海岸や川の近くから離れてください。震源が海底ですと津波の恐れがあります。海岸や川の近くから離れてください。
Several counties have issued a civil emergency message for the following Ohio counties. Franklin. Effective until May 31st, 2005, 36 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. City of Columbus, Ohio. City-wide curfew 10 p.m. Saturday until 6 a.m. Sunday. Please observe curfew and stay off the streets.